is Ron Sebastian, and I want to show you some of the new technologies being created from the IBM Project Vulcan development. There are 4 key principles driving the vision and strategy of our products based on IBM Project Vulcan: continuity, convergence, innovation, and new opportunities. Now you will see the evolution of IBM Project Vulcan delivered in what we are calling Notes Next, Connections Next, Same Time Next, and Lotus Live Next. Now, providing access to information anywhere, anytime, on any device is critical. And how information from a variety of sources is aggregated within a single experience and optimized for the user by our social analytics is also important to providing current information while avoiding information overload. Now, this is the foundation for the exceptional work experience, which will enable your employees to work smarter. All of what we promise in the exceptional work experience will be provided both on premises and in the cloud. The Social Business Toolkit provides the integration of all of your enterprise applications and events into the Project Vulcan activity stream. And embedded experiences will change the way people work and become more productive by interacting with content directly in place. The ShareBox is a concept that enables users to quickly share many types of content wherever they are. The APIs in the toolkit make it easy for you to integrate social business into all of your applications and enable your applications to post events to the activity stream. All of these developer resources will be published and updated quarterly in our developer community. You'll be able to use the Open Social APIs to create your own custom Open Social Gadgets or iWidgets to consistently integrate those services and applications into future releases of our products. These tools provide developers with the powerful new capabilities to build once and deploy across many products and solutions. They're available now for developers on Greenhouse and are planned for in the next versions of our products. Now let's take a look at these technologies. The Vulcan technologies consist of 3 main functions: the activity stream, embedded experiences, and the ShareBox. Let's take a look at those in action. We'll first start with a browser interface. The activity stream is a place where we consolidate information from a variety of sources. For example, here's a Cognos report. And notice we can see the embedded experiences right here. I can view and interact with that content directly in place. Now here's another example of a core metrics report. Instead of having to leave my application, I can interact with that content directly in place. And the activity stream can be used by business partners as well. Here's Solanas, who provides an e-signature service, has integrated that service into the activity stream. And I can directly sign my documents directly here without having to leave my activity stream. Now, another example of this may be when you receive a notification of a shared file. Instead of having to leave your environment, you can view and interact with that shared file directly in place. And with the custom viewers, you can actually view the content very easily. Now, you also have the capability of accessing the ShareBox. The ShareBox gives me a quick links to my most common services. For example, email or forum entries, or even custom applications that you might provide. And I have quick access to my most recent mail messages directly from my homepage. Now, when I want to work more deeply in email, I can simply select the email link and move into our new browser interface for mail. Now, this is based on our iNotes technology, except that we now provide an embedded experience. So again, I can view and interact with my content directly in place without having to leave my mail environment. And the web-based email provides all of the rich functions that you would expect in a modern web client. Now let's take a look at the environment inside of a rich client. Now here we are in the Notes client, and you can see that the home page looks very similar to what you've seen in the web browser. That's because they use the same technology. We have the same activity stream and the same embedded experiences. And we also have the view of our most recent mail messages right here. Now if we go inside of the mail client, you can see we have our email. Again, we also have the embedded experiences that you've seen in the activity stream and in the webmail client. I can interact with my content, for example, view a video here, and if I want, I can simply approve or comment on that information as well. Now, because we are using the rich client, we can use these plugins. For example, here's a plugin that gives me quick access to my file service directly from inside of my client. So that's just been a quick overview of some of the new technologies that we're embedding into our products.